Being a champion is not about crossing milestones as an individual. It's about living the values of being
open, connected and dependable,
and believing that your contribution can make a difference.
If you want to be a winner, you have to be willing to give it your all.
And I think if we can do that, all of us can be a champion.
Champions don't do extraordinary things. They do ordinary things in an extraordinary fashion and make sure that they hold high the HSBC brand. Collaboration, accountability, leadership capabilities, TCF centricity, proactiveness, risk sensitivity are the merits that the champions of 2013 displayed in their roles at HSBC. And ultimately, all these attributes tie into the HSBC values of being open, connected and dependable. I am Kushal Lalwani from the Retail Banking and Wealth Management team, and I bring across to you the compelling story of some of our champions.
It all started in 2011 when at a German event, the attendee list was shared across the whole of India. We noticed that Freudenberg had 10 companies across India. They were banking with DB and each entity managed their own finances with additional banks. We felt this would be a great opportunity for HSBC to be mandated as the primary bank.
Our deal team leader Anna's primary goal was to build customer trust in HSBC, and over multiple interactions she succeeded. As a consequence of our team's continued engagement with Freudenberg entities across India, we were invited as one of the banks to make a presentation.
A close coordination with GTRF, Global Markets and Customer Group really helped us to put a concise presentation to the client. We have finally selected along with Deutsche Bank. However, the final decision was left to the local chief financial officers of each of the entities.
The daunting task ahead of us was to position HSBC as a clear winner against DB. I think what worked for us was that we were perceived as a bank that provided a holistic solution and the one that provided expert advice.
Sunisha played a key role in implementing the financial crime and fraud risk process in India. She not only had this difficult task of understanding the policy and the expectations, but she had to actually reach out to the region and work with them closely to align our processes in India with what they are doing globally.
I had no clue how to begin, so I spoke to business representative from commercial banking and global banking teams, and post that we arrived at a plan, coordinating with different stakeholders, disseminating the policy in its light spirit, and also ensuring that nothing gets missed out, so there's a maker checker. These were the three most critical challenges which I faced while implementing the policy. Initially, the entire process was manual, but in 2012, we kind of migrated the process to an e-platform wherein a soft copy of the certificate needed to be uploaded on a system. The system was to determine fraud risk indicators amongst the corporate. Post my training with the team at London, I in turn gave a training to the risk colleagues and RMs in India.
So winning the Champions Award gives me a great sense of pride because it's the inaugural edition of the awards. Also, it's not about the outcome that I achieved, but how I went about achieving it. I was nominated for the Champions Award for the Group Peer Review Communication Exercise and Project Arete. The Group Peer Review Communication Exercise was the first time that we were looking at defining a consistent approach to peer review communication across the entire HSBC Group. So working with a global team of PNR professionals with diverse perspectives was highly engaging. We also did a lot of reward workshops locally with line managers to support them and guide them on having authentic peer review conversations with employees. Project Arete was more around governance, which was ensuring we have unique job descriptions for every role in the organization. So that's about 800 roles across the bank and the other HSBC entities. So working with HR generalists and line managers and employees to ensure we have updated job descriptions, designing a framework around it to ensure this gets updated on a regular basis was what the project was about.
Nitesh Narwadkar from the RBWM team was awarded champion for his end-to-end commitment and personal accountability in streamlining the third-party sales agency process.
As a part of implementing global standards, we had to do tie-ups only with the third-party sales agencies who had a global presence. As a result, RBWM contact center team had to close their operations with the third-party sales agencies who did not meet their criteria.
We had to ensure that all complaint cases and risk cases are reviewed and closed within defined time frame of 1 month. Also, safeguarding data integrity was of utmost importance. Out-of-the-box thinking was again critical to crunch the timelines. We conceptualized and developed a web-based solution to ensure all customers who have shown interest are outcalled immediately.
His in-depth knowledge and understanding of the process and his networking skills was extremely useful in this migration.
Disciplined, customer-centric and united are the words which describe Salt Lake branch, which has maximum CP and senior citizen customers. Strawberry is the important part of this team at Salt Lake. She builds long-term, outstanding relationship with our customers.
I learned that the secrets to keeping our customers happy at Salt Lake branch were to keep them informed at all times about the status of their requests, queries and complaints submitted to us. Always live up to the commitments made, and above all, treat all customers with a smile irrespective of the circumstances.
Since 1979 onward, I am associated with HSBC brand. These HSBC girls, I consider them my daughters, and they never tell me, Dr. Majumdar, aye. They say always, uncle, and that's why I am really happy with them.
I personally believe that a complaint resolved satisfactorily at its initial stage wins us a loyal and a happy customer, and that is all what we must aim to achieve.
The climax for our winners was when all 41 champions were specially flown down from across India to Mumbai to join our CEO for a celebrity dinner hosted by him at the Trident.
It was really a dream come true for me to win the Champions Award for the year 2013, and indeed a great feeling to be a part of the dinner with Mr. Stuart Mill and meeting exceptional performers across different departments.
I was really very thrilled to receive this award from the country's CEO.
All our champions were felicitated during the CEO's Roadshow and the respective business town halls, and also on our Trailblazers platform. So there's a lot to aspire for all of us in 2015. It all depends on the kind of hunger that we hold within. Sorry. The order, once again. The order.
Nayan Moni is a Premier Relationship Manager, Premier Client Manager, okay.
Who will take cognizance, sorry, what should I say here?
Deutsche Bank. Sorry.
He revealed that he was a
And result. Sorry.
3, 2, 1. She's a role model for us in this branch. Second line I can do it better.
so that this can be.
How is it?
Sorry, my over excitement is going now.
Just look at me.
Oh, that's it.
Melody, I think it's done now.
Yeah.
Thank you.